Imagine a world where cables not only connect but also predict. That's the power of smart cable assemblies, revolutionizing industries by foreseeing hardware failures before they happen. By integrating Internet of Things technologies, these cables are transforming infrastructure management. Advanced sensors embedded within the cables leverage industrial IoT connectivity to predict equipment issues with remarkable accuracy. In wind energy, fiber Bragg grading sensors are a game changer. By detecting strain and temperature shifts, they catch issues early, reducing unplanned maintenance by 42% in offshore wind farms. In smart factories, CANbus networks shine. They provide robust data transmission with multi-master architecture, ensuring 99.99% data integrity. The result? A 30% energy savings in automotive plants. Harnessing edge machine learning, these systems analyze vast data to predict failures with 94% accuracy. As industries shift to condition-based maintenance, smart cables, empowered by FBG sensors, and secure CANbus networks redefine asset management. Like what you see? Hit like and follow for more insights.